What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Meets Computer Solutions. So I got the Nokia 9 Pureview in the building with its 5 awesome cameras, a professional photographer's paradise. But y'all guys know that the LG G8 is my go-to device for filming and photography. Can the Nokia Pureview take the throne from the LG G7 or the LG G8 or the LG V40? My go-to phones for photography and videos on this YouTube channel. Now, let me give you some disclaimers. I'm going to do a comparison between both of these phones, but it's going to be video only and it's going to be daytime only on this video. Now, for the photography part and the photos of this video, I am going to shoot in RAW and edit on this phone, and I'm going to show you guys the before and after photography on this device, right? I don't think it's going to be a fair comparison if I edit photos on this phone and show you regular photos on this phone. So I won't show you any photos between both of these devices. I'm going to do auto mode on the video portion of this phone, and the reason why is because this phone is made for pure editing when it comes down to photography. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready. Woo! And follow me on this journey. Let's go.
Antenna.
All right, guys, so this is the video portion of this video. I got the LG G8 and I got the Nokia 9. So this part of the video is all auto mode. As I talked about in the beginning of the video with the photos, I'm doing full edits on the Pureview. So it'll be an unfair comparison to do full edits on the Pureview and not do full edits on the LG G8 because you can shoot in RAW on the Pureview, but you cannot shoot in RAW on the LG G8. So all the photos you guys saw, the before and after, was strictly done and edit on the Nokia 9. Again, I don't think this is a point and shoot camera. I think this is a camera for professionals when you want to get work done as far as video quality and edit in the photo. So I just want to do this portion of the video so y'all guys can see the video cameras on the Pureview versus the LG G8. I'm gonna go audio from side to side so y'all guys can hear the audio on both devices. But yes, what you guys think? Look at the sky there. Look how blue both devices are. And I'm gonna go with the front-facing camera next so y'all guys can see the front-facing camera with both devices. But here it is, the Nokia 9 and the LG G8. All right, guys, so this is the front-facing camera of the LG G8 and the Nokia 9. Now, in this video, I showed you guys a lot of still footage photos with the Nokia 9, and I did that on purpose because all the photos was done in pro mode, and I did a lot of color correction, and I did it in RAW, and I did a lot of blur effects and stuff like that. So all the photos was edited either in pro mode or in RAW. It would have been a very unfair comparison to do the Nokia 9 with all the edits that I did and putting another phone in with no edit. So that's why in this video I did a photo only with the Nokia 9 to showcase how good the cameras are. So maybe in the next video I might do, you know, auto mode and stuff like that. But if you know how the Nokia 9 works, it's all about professional photography and doing pro mode and doing a lot of edits with RAW. Trust me, when you got it in RAW and you can edit it on the phone or put it on some editing software, you can make it look good. So that's the purpose of the RAW footage on the Nokia 9. This is not a pick up and point shoot camera. This is a camera where you have to put some work in it. I don't think that the Nokia 9 camera is for the average consumer. They pull out their phone and point and shoot. It's for the photographer professional that can pick up the phone, take some footage, bring it back to their computer, or do edits right on the phone and then deploy it to their social media or any type of platform like that. But this is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Nokia Pureview and the LG G8. Now listen, the LG G8 is a phenomenal camera, but I just think that it would have been an unfair comparison to put still footage that's untouched and unedited versus a camera that's been completely edited. See you guys on the next video. Peace.